So this is day one of learning website design, and today I learned about Figma and how to use their dashboard. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is Figma, what are some of the cool features, and how you can create an account and start using it. So what is Figma? Figma is an online tool which can be used to design websites or applications. It is mainly used to come up with design ideas and concepts. Once the design is finished, you can save it as a Figma file and send it to the developer who will build a functional website using Shopify, WordPress, Figma, etc. Figma is free to use and they also have paid plans. The free plan is more than enough to get started, but if you want to collaborate with people and work together on multiple projects, then you have to opt for the paid plan. Some of the cool features in Figma are Figma can be used on your browser just like Canva. Figma is quite simple to use but can also handle heavy projects. In fact, companies like Microsoft, Zoom, Twitter, Uber, Notion have used Figma for their projects, which means it is a reliable tool. Now let me show you the process to create a Figma account. So creating an account on Figma is super simple. Head over to figma.com website. On the top right hand side corner, click on get started for free. Now you can either add in your email ID and password or you can continue with Google. I will continue with my Google account. It's loading. Boom. Once the account is created, you can now see the Figma dashboard. And let me tell you, the dashboard is pretty simple to use. So in this section, we have the projects tab, and the projects are showing based on which one you opened last. And you can change them either by alphabetical view, date created, or last viewed. You can also change the way the projects are shown in the form of a list view or a grid view. I would suggest keep a grid view because it shows a preview of the project, which makes it easy for you to identify. Now on the top, you have three options. You can either create a new design file, come up with designs and animation. This option is called as FigJam file, where you can create whiteboard for ideas and plans, strategies, etc. In this last option, you can upload a file which is either Figma or Adobe Sketch and then start working on it. Now if you go to the top right hand side, you have the option to change the profile settings, add plugins, change advanced settings, change the theme color. We have light and we have the dark. I'd go with the dark because it's contrasting and easier to see. Then we have the option to download the desktop app, which is just 95 MB. Then you can add an account or you have the option to log out. Now on the left hand side, you can see which is the most recent file which you opened, and then you have the draft section where you can see deleted files. Then you have the option to see the favorite files. Now how do you favorite a file? Just go to any project, click on the star icon, and automatically you will see it under the favorite files section. And then you have this option of creating a team or a group where you can add in people and allow them access to specific projects. Since I created a new account, I already have a team account created, which is free. Now I want to show you the coolest part about Figma. So head over to the left top hand side corner. On the top left hand side, there is a drop down which allows you to switch to the community page. So if you click on that, you will go to the community page, and if you want to switch back to the profile dashboard, again on the left hand side, click on the globe drop down and click on your name and you will go back to the profile dashboard. Now in this page, you will see a ton of plugins, templates and kits which you can use for your design projects, which is absolutely cool. You can also see they have free plugins and paid plugins. These are all paid, and let's check out the free version. There you go. All these are free plugins that you can use on your project. You can also find inspiration, you can find theme sync, you can see design systems, visual assets, etc. This is pretty cool like I mentioned earlier. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I have just started learning Figma. I will be going ahead with the design part next, and I'll see you in the next one soon.